Hi and welcome to this DCP Insight video. Recently, a subscriber on YouTube asked me how much money do I get paid for creating content on YouTube. So I thought I'd show you an example of one of my most popular videos and how much YouTube pays me to create such content. So if we open up the web browser here, I've ordered all my videos in the admin control panel by number of views. So you can see if we scroll down, there's 60, 70, 50,000 views here, and right at the very top I've got my most popular video, which is at 588,000 views. It's got 775 comments and it's got 4,000 likes, right? There's 383 dislikes, but the like ratio is very high, right? It's at 92%. So the video duration is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So it's not a long piece of content. In fact, it's very short compared to a lot of my other videos. Majority of them are, you know, at least 5 minutes plus, or anything up to an hour long. If we click on this particular video, we can go into the analytics, and we'll click into analytics here, and we can start to see what sort of revenue this particular video is generating. And remember, I released this video in 2018, I believe. So if we go to last 28 days here, we can see it's generating around $84 a month. So it's not a massive amount of money, but if you think $84 every month for 2 minutes and 23 seconds work, it's pretty good, right? Anyone that can generate $84 for 2 minutes and 23 seconds work is doing very well. It's generating around 29 subscribers a month, and it's doing around 22,000 views, so the views are quite high as well. But this will fluctuate over time. So if we go to 28 days here and set it to since upload, and if I said to you 2 minutes and 23 seconds worth of work has generated $2,026, then you can see the potential of creating a YouTube channel and how much money that you can actually generate by creating good content, right? And it doesn't always work. Sometimes you put up a video and it doesn't get many views and you won't generate that much revenue from it, but sometimes the algorithm on YouTube seems to like your content for whatever reason. It's getting a lot of clicks and a lot of likes, and then it starts to promote that more heavily across YouTube and you'll get more views. So today it's done 588,000 views. It's got 8.3 thousand hours watched, which is a crazy amount of time if you think about it. And it's done 703 subscribers and it's generated $2,026. And remember, tomorrow it will make some more money, and the day after that it will just keep making money. The interesting thing here is if you look at the stats, it starts off all the way back here when I released it in 2018, and it only did like 3-4 views per day. You can see the views are very small, and it took almost a year, or a good part of a year, to get up to speed. And around here the algorithm picked it up, and I haven't done anything to this video, and it's just grown and grown. The only thing that I change on there from time to time is the thumbnail. I put the amount of views here because it's set to 570,000, so maybe once it gets to like 600,000 I'll change that thumbnail and write 600,000 views, and that seems to help a little bit for the click-through rate, right? When someone sees that something's been clicked over 500,000 times, then it's more than likely if they see that thumbnail they might click on it again, and then come and view and watch this video. I just wanted to make this quick video to show people the potential of YouTube. If you can get monetized, so you need more than 1,000 subscribers to start with, and you need 4,000 hours watched, right? So you can do that off of one video. Realistically, it's not impossible to get 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours watched just on a single video, but you need to do that within a year. So you need at least 1,000 subscribers within 1 year, and you need 4,000 hours watched across all of the video content that you upload to YouTube. Now, to be honest, when you start YouTube, it's quite difficult. It's not an easy thing. It seems like it's it's not just basically not easy to get a channel up and running and get it monetized. YouTube doesn't make it easy, and the point is that they don't want to make it easy. They want the best content out there to get monetized and to generate revenue, right? But I thought I'd make this video just to show its potential. If you like this insight video, give it a thumbs up and I'll make some more like this. And if you really like this content, and if you want to learn how to set up your own YouTube channel, just write a little comment in the YouTube commenting system for this video. Just explain what sort of channel that you're planning to set up or what your idea is, and I'm going to start to build a training course explaining what I've done over the last few years, right? So if we think about it, really YouTube, I started it quite a long time ago, but more recently, over the last couple of years, I put quite a few, much more effort into my content. and I've seen quite dramatic growth. I'm up to something like 42,000 subscribers now, and it's continuously growing. So if you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel in the correct way, set it all up in the right way, and have all the features up and running, and how to edit videos really fast, I do my video editing within like 5 minutes. I've seen people take hours to do their video editing. I think your video content should be edited very quick. It's all about how you set the process up to create your content, right? That's very important. So that's really all I want to explain about in this video. Here you can see the real time, right? So people are looking at it in real time. So we can see the real time stats over here. Hopefully you find this informative and useful. And if you can get YouTube to generate anything up to $1,500 a month, you know, something like around that sort of number, it's a nice little residual income that will sit there on the side. Remember, I uploaded this video all the way back in 2018, and every month it's paying me $80-90. So it does that every month without me having to do anything, right? So I upload it here, and it'll take a bit of time to get some traction, but once it does, it will just keep putting $80-90. This one video, right? But what you got to remember, I've got 600 of them. Not all of them make that same sort of money. They all make different amounts of money. Here's another example, or maybe we'll look at that in the next video. So if you're interested in learning more about what sort of videos can generate decent revenue and how to set up your YouTube channel, then make sure you like this video and make sure you comment and tell me what you want to set up for your YouTube channel. What is the theme? Is it a gaming channel? Is it a cookery channel? Is it an education type channel like mine? And then I can help you out, and maybe I'll make a nice training course for everyone to go and learn and understand how to set up their YouTube channel. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize this. That's my first insight video on my YouTube channel. I thought I'd share a bit of knowledge there, and hopefully you find that useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I've got over 650 video tutorials on a wide range of subjects. Okay, that's the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.